What's up, YouTube? Just wanted to show you today my 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Just got that rough country 2-inch leveling kit put on today. In my opinion, looks pretty good. It's not bad. I may go with the 1/2-inch spacer in the back because I know that JK spacers do fit, they say. But yeah, I'm debating if I want to put that on. But right now, I mean, it's level. I mean, that's the idea of a leveling kit, right? Is getting it level. So yes, it is level, but I may put a 1/2-inch spacer in the back. But just wanted to share this video because there's not a whole lot of rough country photos or videos of a Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 with it. But right now, I mean, I do run 275 65 18s. It was a little tight whenever, before this lifts, so that's why I wanted to, raise it up a little bit. But 275 65 18s do fit stock. I've had them for about 4 months, with minor trimming. But, I wanted to put that leveling kit, to get more space, of course, more articulation. If I ever do take it off road, which, I mean, I'm not going to do anything obviously serious. I mean, it's a luxury Jeep, but no, this is what it looks like. Yeah, if you're looking to buy this rough country one, hey, it's not bad. 59 bucks. Heck, getting an alignment after, in my opinion, is an excellent price. So no, it does work great. Like I say, there's not a whole lot of videos or photos, but this is what it looks like, and it looks level. That's the what we're going for, of course. All right, here it is. Let me know what you think. Thanks.